Another one.
I like the way she gets all the way over there and she says, "Oh!"
That Cohen found that one.
Let's go, Coach. Let's go find one over here. Look, what's that? Let's go look in here some more. Maybe there's some more. Come on.
Can you get Cohen in here? Grandpa's got him. Eden, do you see Cohen's basket? Can you help Cohen find his basket?
I got a name on it there.
Oh, good job.
Ooh, you are doing so good. Balancing all those eggs.
Just another one.
That's a yellow one?
There?
Looks like this is where the Easter Bunny slept last night. Oh! You didn't let it. He can have two.
Can you give one to him, please?
Can Coco have 2 eggs? Else he's gonna take all your eggs. Oh.